reminded that babies need to be on seats and not on laps. Thank you.
Annie, Georgie, you have to sit on the seat and hold him.
Yes, it says no children on laps.
I had to do that on the other thing, Annie, on the carousel.
I think it's because they're too high up.
They're worried.
Hold on. Jessie, hold Georgie's hand.
He's telling you to put his hands up.
Actually, though, when Jessie was do that for
Jessie.
Oh, Annie, he's smiling on this, isn't he? Cheese! Oh, Georgie. Annie, look.
It's his expression all day. Did you get one at the puppet show? He's like, they're funny looking animals. He's like, Georgie, look.
Georgie.
Let's see, what animals can you see, Charlie?
Children to remain on seats and not on laps. Thank you.